fucking jump.
Alright everybody, welcome back to the Ozone. We'll get you guys a little bit of box action. Show the whole box too, in case you guys haven't seen any of the Bad Bunnies. I got this shoe to complete my Bad Bunny collection. I have every Bad Bunny Adidas forum. Working on the blue pair now. Get this shoe out of the box. As you know, with the Bad Bunnies, you get the little dust bag. Shoes out of here. Importantly, which shoe I take out, I don't think it matters. I think they're both the same guys, so I'll leave it in here. I'll get this off the top so I can get that box closed. I guess it doesn't matter which way the box is faced. Just let me leave the logo out here for you guys. Bam! It's one of my favorite forums. Like I said, you guys know I'm a forums guy. And like I just said, I have every pair of Bad Bunny forums. I have forums all the way back from 1985 up to today. Materials on this shoe are pretty good. I'm going to give you guys a closer look when we do this spin with the light on. Adidas checks in orange. Tannish shoe to a green bottom. A lime Adidas back. Look like double sole. You know how they make these weird shoes now. This piece can come off. I believe that you can take this off and change it out. I gotta look through my box to see if there's extra pieces. Benito or Bento, whatever you prefer to call it. I see people call it all sorts of different stuff all the time. Most of us aren't Latin. Shouts out to Bad Bunny and the rest of the Latins that support the culture. Pretty nice bottom too. Let's get you guys some top action. See, you get a little eyeball in there. Double tongues. See, mine is still brand new, never unlaced. You can see a little Bad Bunny at the inside. I never even put these on yet. Might wear them later this week. But yeah, you can see some type of netting material in the front of the shoe. So it's easy to treat. This shoe should last and it look like it's overstuffed. Not as much as the overstuffed Adidas. Stripes are kind of color changing, but this is neon orange. They look kind of pinkish on the camera. This is pink here though. 3 checks. Like I said, changed a little bit of color. See to the forum netting at the bottom. They're called power forums. Like I said, removable back. Change that out with another Adidas tag, or if you don't want this on the back period, just leave it off. Same as the other side, but this side says Benito or Bento, whichever you guys prefer to say it as, like I said, with the netting. Back to the bottom. Not a bad shoe in my opinion. Like I said, I got it to complete my collection. But it seems as if the Bad Bunny forums, or Bad Bunny Adidas period, are always pretty sought after, pretty popular. And they put a new flair. I love these laces as well. Laces are one of the best parts of the shoe, in my opinion. Give you guys a look at what the shoe is going to look like when it's on your foot. All right, let me know what shoes you guys want to see next on the channel. Let me know what shoes you're buying. What do you think of these Bad Bunny or Forum Power editions? Think he's got to keep on getting a chance to make shoes? Alright guys, stay safe. Have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!